Mr. Tim, last one. Actually, I'm pretty sure Tim always gets a break, but I guess I should verify. I just assume it's break live. Yep, break live. Could have been a gift. This has been an absolutely loaded case. We had to ship some sealed. Actually, New York Mike, there was 9 left from this case. I think your 4 came from the other case, because there was 9 left. If I took 4 from you, there would have been 8 left. When I started this stack, there were 9 left. New York Mike, can you hear me? I think you're from the other case, because I grabbed all 4. And there were 9 left from this one. What's up, Pal Z? How's it going, buddy? New York Mike, do you have the sound on? Oh, okay. Almost 100% your 4 came from the other case, not this one. Couldn't have come from this one. There was 9 left. Had to be 8 left if it came from this one. It was a case and 3 boxes of shipped ones. I think I got some left, Pal Z. After those group breaks, I'll have probably at least 15 golds and several silvers. All right, this is Mr. Tim, Kenny Williams, Von Wagner, he's German, Grayson Waller, silver. Actually, let me separate these. Shotzi. Jordan Devlin, tricolor. Angelo Dawkins, purple relic. Silver of Basler. Mick Foley, tricolor. Jerry Lawler. Here's the lime green, Wes Lee. The lime green is 49. We did hit a green, a true green number to 49. Dewdrop court ringside. Dewdrop. Oscar Scope. There's a silver ringside rookie, Carmelo Hayes. That is the short print rookie silver for him. Kevin Nash, blue, $1.99. And Undertaker autograph. Man, this case was loaded. Really nice autographs. Goldberg green. What's his face? Zebra, Hulk Hogan. 2 golds. This case had all the names in it. It was a loaded case. Undertaker. Oh, that's a Lee silver regular. Mick Foley. And John Cena. There you go. Tim, I think you're in some breaks coming up as well. Thanks, buddy.